Hello everyone, welcome back to our NX12 tutorial series. In this video, I'll do the box punching machine assembly drafting part 2. On the previous video, I did the exploded view with balloons, I added the bill of materials and everything. So on this video, I'm gonna do sheet number 2, where I'll do the third angle orthographic view with the required views, appropriate section view, cross section that's adhere sense 0111, and then the completed title block templates, including the part name and the part number. So let's go to NX and start with the drafting.
Create a detailed drawing of the assembly. I'm gonna come here and say new and select drawing and select the template. Now I'm gonna add a section view. Over here. Because according to the drafting standard, if you have something there is a shaft, you shouldn't show the section lines. So I'm gonna remove this one. Also for this one, I'm gonna remove it. And then you also not allowed to draft a rib fig. So we have to remove this section line. But what I'll do here, I'm gonna add another view. Okay, I'm gonna hide these lines. And then I'm gonna add a view. I'm gonna come here and add a projected view for this thing like this. Exactly to this one. And then I'm gonna delete some of the lines. Make things easy. I'm gonna do this. Let's see. Remove this thing. Okay. I'm gonna move this one up and this one. Let me undo everything. This one up at the projected view. For now, I'm gonna take it back. And then the part that you're interested in is this one, actually, or is this one. So I'm gonna edit these lines and these ones since it has to show that it is a section view. And then now I'm gonna move it to here. And this is we have our lines. I'm gonna move this thing up a little bit. So back. There you have it. And then now I'm gonna add the sections lines. And this is a cross hatch. And then you select boundary curves, show results, apply. Select single curves here, apply. Okay, now I'm gonna add the other two views. Oh, I think it's only one. Since it said I know the two views that are required for this part. And then I'm gonna add the isometric view.